What's going on, everybody? It's Seth back with another video, and I just filmed already one intro for another video for the short throw shifter video. Now I'm doing another one, but we're getting ready to put the lip on the front of Jordan's Civic now. I hope y'all enjoyed the last video. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and go back and look at my uploaded videos and see it. I might actually put it in the description. But it's a new car club we joined. But now we're gonna get into putting the lip on the Civic. Hopefully it won't take too long. So I don't know how I'm gonna get so much content. I might just sit here and ramble on like Jordan does. But yeah, enjoy the video. So today is the day. It is lip day. We got the front lip and then the little two rear side lips that come down back there. And we're gonna get ready to go ahead and put it up there. He's gonna go get his drill and all, so we can drill in like the screws, the self tappers in the front. And yeah, it's also got some, I mean, it's already got the holes put into it and all that stuff that line up with the bumper. It actually, we've already test fitted it like a few days ago, and it actually fits really, really well for being, I think, $75 on eBay. So this is pretty much stage one, fixing up his car. You know, it's already got the grill from whoever, but now we're getting ready to put the lip up there to make it look a little bit nicer. And he was just talking about rims and all that stuff. So we're in the process of either gonna turbo it and make it crazy fast or make it look good. Probably a little bit of both at the same time. But yeah. We've already got the other side on. Now he's just gonna, you know, it's got holes in it, but he's just a little crooked, works. But it holds it. It's came with self tappers, and it's already got holes in the bumper. But pretty much first look, oh, that thing looks sick. Dude, that lip makes it look so much better, so much more aggressive now. Yeah, but it already is starting to look good. So Jordan gives me this side to work on. You know, there's some nice fresh dog crap down here, but I'm gonna be installing this piece for down here while he installs that piece. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty sick when we get done, I hope. So even with this bumper having these holes like this, you wanna make sure you can take your screw and just drill it back through. So that's what we did. We took the impact drill and drilled the holes out a little bit. That way we knew the screw could go through there. That way it's gonna be easier to drill, and there's also one on the bottom. And then it also came with double-sided tape. And so I've got my double-sided tape put on. Jordan's working on his. And then we're just gonna be able to stick it up there. Hopefully this will help it hold its shape while we drill it and screw it on back there. And yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. So we got the first little bottom piece down there done. So he needs to paint his side skirt, because now it's like black, gray, black. Yeah, you're supposed to be able to, but now we got to install the other side right fast. But it's going fairly good so far. It's only been about 20 minutes, give or take. We spent a lot of screwing and random body panels. So we just got the last little piece on, got the front lip on. Jordan's over there recording for his channel. Got all this tape that Jordan couldn't get up there, so he had to slap it on this car because he couldn't get it on his. But yeah, now we got the lips on, and time to go take pictures in an abandoned parking lot with our two Hondas. And
Alright, have a nice day. See you later.
Have a nice day. See you later. About to go make a cinematic.
Now turn up